Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale content marketing with BuzzSumo easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, navigate to the BuzzSumo website and create an account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Start by exploring the content section to find trending topics in your industry. Enter a relevant keyword related to your niche in the search bar. Review the results for popular articles and content types. Take note of the social media engagement metrics for each piece. Use these insights to identify what resonates with your audience. Next, switch to the Influencers tab to find key figures in your industry. Look for influencers who have shared similar content. Reach out to them for potential collaboration or sharing. Now, head to the Monitor section to set up alerts for new content or mentions of your brand. This will keep you updated on industry trends and competitor movements. Utilize the questions feature to find what your audience is asking about. This information can guide your content creation strategy. Following that, create high-quality content based on these insights. Use engaging visuals and a clear structure to enhance readability. Promote this content using the influencers you've identified earlier. Track the performance of your content through BuzzSumo Analytics. Analyze which topics and formats are performing best. Adjust your strategy based on these findings for better results. Consistently measure and refine your approach to ensure ongoing success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.